and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate your SSL certificate on your Squarespace website. One of the many benefits of being a Squarespace user is that you get a free SSL certificate with every site. And you know that it has been activated by this little lock that will appear in the website address of your site in the top left-hand corner. This is obviously a big trust builder when it comes to reassuring your website visitors, but it's also important for search engines. Certain sites like Google actually penalize your website if you don't have this SSL certificate activated. So here's how you do that. You just go to your settings, scroll down to advanced, click SSL, and make sure that you have selected secure, preferred versus, insecure. You want to have the secure on at all times. And that's it. As soon as you click that, you'll see the little lock appear and you're good to go.